Good morning, friends. Welcome to Yoga Mornings at 8 with me, संगीता पोरवाल. कैसे हैं आप सब? मुझे पूरा विश्वास है आप सब स्वस्थ हैं और ये जो टाइम मिला है लॉकडाउन में उसे अपने फैमिली के साथ और अपने सारे शौक पूरे करने में बिता रहे हैं. ये ज़रूरी है कि हम अपनी हेल्थ मेंटेन रखें, अपनी इम्यूनिटी मेंटेन रखें और इससे थोड़ा सा व्यायाम और शरीर की, मन की, दिमाग की कसरत योग द्वारा. Spread your mat and join me for an active session of yoga morning at 8. चलिए शुरू करते. We begin with a little jog, a light warm up, very gentle. And when your legs are moving, bring your focus, your attention to your breath. Gentle but deep inhalation and a gentle exhalation. This little jog, ये blood flow बढ़ाने में मदद करता है. बिल्कुल आराम से पूरे शरीर में एनर्जी आगे की प्रैक्टिस के लिए. Keep breathing and keep moving. आप अपना पेस बढ़ा सकते हैं. If you wish, increase the speed. If you wish, you can lift your feet higher. Up, up, up. साइड में जगह है तो साइड में जाएं. Back to the center. To the left. Center. कोशिश करेंगे थोड़े से घुटने उठाने की, पैर उठाने की, toes pointed downwards. Nice deep breath. Welcome this beautiful morning. The beautiful morning sun. Yes. Increase the pace if you wish to. I prefer being a little gentle. You can move to the sides, center, sides. Now we'll increase the pace a little. Deep breath. Relax. Relax. Pull your elbows. Breathe in up. So you're gently bringing our breath to normal. Relax. Okay. Chal. So friends, to begin with further warm-up, all of my friends, those who have joined in, send me a thumbs up. It feels good. Okay. All my regular friends are there. The prop for today is a yoga belt or a cotton dupatta, whatever you have. Get that, grab that. If you have not, जब हम ये prop use करते हैं, ये एक extra stretch देने में या deeper जाने में मदद करती है. So use the props. योगा बेल्ट अगर नहीं है तो एक कॉटन दुपट्टा या पुराना टॉवल या पतला, it should be thin enough to give a good hold. Fold करें and twist it थोड़ा so that it becomes thin enough to hold. आपके shoulders से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा, like this. You could just measure it. Since I have a belt, I will like to use that. We begin. Feet apart, toes spreaded, heels up and down. The traditional Tadasana. Tadasana perfect to begin any practice. So, hold your belt. Breathing in. Go up on your toes. Exhale. Inhale up. 2 on your toes. Exhale. Inhale up. 3. Nice and high. Give a good stretch up. Exhale. Inhale up. 4. Exhale. Inhale up. 5. Inhale up. 6. Give a good stretch up. Inhale up. 7. Inhale up. The last one. Good stretch. Hold करेंगे. Hold करेंगे. Pull the tummy in. Squeeze your hips. Pull the whole body up. Hold for a few breaths. Gently come down. चलिए थोड़ा सा spread करेंगे. Twists to the sides. Inhale up. खींचे पूरा शरीर ऊपर and exhaling. Twist, twist, twist. Come back. Exhale the other side. Inhale, come back. Give a good stretch up. आपके पैर सीधे, केवल कमर से शरीर ट्विस्ट करेगा. Inhale up, stretch, and exhaling, twist. Inhale back, exhale. Inhale back, exhale. Inhale back, exhale the other side. Inhale back. One last set, stretch up. Inhale and exhale. Give a nice twist. Come back. Inhale and exhaling the other side. Come back. Relax. Increase. 1.5 से 2 फुट की दूरी पर आपके पैर sideways stretches. Those who are practicing with me daily, जो रोज मेरे साथ practice कर रहे हैं योगा, आपको difference पता चलेगा when you do without a prop and with a prop. चलिए, inhaling up, give a good stretch up, and exhale, go to the sides. Side, side, side. It's a nice sideways stretch. Forward नहीं झुकना है, sideways. And ऊपर जाने के बाद कोशिश करेंगे if you can pull the hand which is below, उसको थोड़ा नीचे. So inhale up. Wonderful sideways stretch. Gently come back. The other side. Try to pull the hand below a little lower. Opening up your sides. Wonderful. Come back. Inhaling up. Exhale. Inhale back. Give a good stretch up. Exhale. Inhale up. Stretch up. Exhale. Come back. Exhale. Come back. One last set. Inhale up. Exhale. Come back. The other side. Come back up. Exhale. Relax. A good warm-up is half work done. Spend a good time in doing the warm-ups. It will open up all the joints. चलिए. So, right hand से belt को पीछे ले. दूसरे हाथ से पकड़े. Breathing in. Open up, 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 up. So let the left hand go up, the right hand goes up. Exhale. नीचे left हाथ को नीचे. Inhale up, up, up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up, pull up, 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 up. Exhale, pull it down. Relax. From the other side. लेफ्ट हाथ में बेल्ट को पकड़े और आगे से इस तरफ पीछे होल्ड इट. चलिए, breathing up, up, up. You can adjust the hold. Exhale, pull it down. Inhale, up. Exhale. Inhale, up, up, up. Exhale, pull it down. Inhale, good stretch up. Exhale, down. Relax. Chaliye, forward bends. And the warm up for the knees. First for the knee, Utkatasana. Feet hip width apart. अपना hold decide करें. Simply like this, a little more than your shoulders. That's it. Chaliye, breathing in up. You can take your hand a little back. थोड़ा सा पीछे जाने दें. And exhaling, come down, 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 down on your knees. Utkatasana, chair pose. Keep the body straight. Inhale up. Take your hands a little at the back. And exhaling down. Those who can get deeper, go down. Inhale up. Take the hand a little back. Exhale. Inhale up. जिन्हें घुटने में तकलीफ है, वे halfway. Inhale up and exhale down. अगर उठने में प्रॉब्लम है, take a little support. No problem. Inhale up, go back. Inhale up, give a good stretch back. Exhale. Inhale up, one last. Exhale. Up. Exhale. Relax. Forward bend. Inhale up. ले जाए हाथों को थोड़ा पीछे. Exhaling. Forward, forward. Keep a nice back straight. And down. गर्दन को ढीला छोड़े. Stay here. Inhale up. Give a backward bend. Exhale. Relax. Wonderful. Full body workout. And now for the feet. You can take the support of a chair. If you feel like, अगर नहीं ज़रूरत है तो it's all right. Hands straight and the legs straight. चलिए. Open up. Open up. Open up. You can take the support of a chair. Lift up as high as you can go. 2, 3. It doesn't matter if it's only this much. It's all right. Try to raise your own bar every time. Sideways. 2. The prop helps in opening up. 3, 4. Relax. From the other side. Breathing in up, up, up. 2, 3, 4. Sideways. 1, 2. Keeping the body straight. 3, 4. Down. Relax. Those who are not doing live with me, you can increase the number of rounds. Chaliye, few breathing exercise. 2, Calm the breath down, and before we go to the next flow, stretch your arms out. Breathe in. Open up, open up, open up. Exhale. Inhale, open up. Nice and wide. Let your breath and body flow together. Inhale, open up. Pump in the morning fresh air. Pump in your lungs with the ample oxygen. और अब तो हवा पूरी तरह शुद्ध हो गई without any vehicles. Inhale, exhale, relax. चलिए आसन प्रैक्टिस शुरू करेंगे. The Veerbhadrasana sequence. Spread your feet, कम से कम 2 से 2.5 feet apart. You are facing the left. The right leg is in front and press the right pair ka outer edge. चलिए, we begin with the Trikonasana. Inhale, both the hands stretched nicely to the sides. And exhaling, twist, 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 go down, go down, go down. Try to touch your ankle. If you come up to here, it's all right. And once you're ready, lift the other hand up. Nice and high. Trikonasana. Wonderful sideways stretch. Breathing in back, hands to the sides. Inhale and exhaling, turn your body. Square your hips and you're facing the left. Put the hands to the side, shoulder level. Nice and straight. And your leg, the back leg, moves 60 degrees. Veerbhadrasana 1. Inhale, exhale. Inhaling, bring your hands in the prayer position. The left leg goes down to 90 degrees. If you wish to get deeper, stretch this leg at the back. Down. Inhaling. Go to Veerbhadrasana 2. Both the hands to the sides. Your left leg 90 degrees. You can go deeper as per your body. Even if you're a little high, it's perfectly alright. Go as per your body. Stretch the hands to the sides. Veerbhadrasana, the warrior pose. Attitude of the warrior. Nice and firm and strong. Both the hands to the sides. You're looking to the left. Reverse warrior. Inhaling. Go up. Your right hand goes down. Don't rest it. Simply touch it. Right side angle. So, bring the right hand down and the left hand is resting on the left knee. Give a good stretch up. You can look in front. You can look up. Pull this hand up. Stretch. One more set. Reverse warrior. Go up. Exhaling, go to the right side angle. You can keep your hand at the back as well. If you wish to get deeper, or you can take the support. Beautiful stretch. Hold here. Beautiful sequence to build the strength. Inhale back to Virabhadrasana. Exhale, come back. Chali, from the other side, pivot your feet. So your right leg is towards the right. The left is firmly placed in the ground. First the Trikonasana. The heat is really built in. Outside and in knees then. Chali, both the hands to the sides. Nice and firm hands. Inhale and exhaling. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Gently go down. The other hand goes up. Choose the angle that you want to get deep into. It could be here or it could be here. Don't let the chest fall. Nice sideways stretch. Inhaling back and exhaling. Turn your body. Square your hips and you're looking to the right. Turn your left leg to the 60 degree, giving it a firm support. Hands to the sides. Inhaling, bring the hands to a prayer position. Go down on the knee and gently take your hands up. Virabhadrasana 1. The warrior pose. Bring the hands down. Inhale. And exhaling, go to warrior 2. Stretch the hands to the sides. Nice and firm. And you're looking to the right. You can choose to get deeper. Bringing this down. If you want to get deeper, press the leg at the back. Keep this leg firm. Hold here. Inhaling, we go into the reverse warrior. Inhale and exhale. Right side angle. You can place the right hand on the knee in Dhyana Mudra and take the left hand up. Nice and high. Give a good stretch. You can look in front. You can look up. Whatever, as it suits you. Breathing in. Back to reverse warrior. Try to get deeper. Inhale and exhale. Right side angle. You can choose to take your hand at the back as well. Enjoy this pose. Enjoy the stretch. And feel the strength building in. Inhale back. Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, exhale, feet straight to the center. Relax. This whole Virabhadrasana series, this helps in strengthening the thighs and the calf muscles, builds in strength for the feet. Wonderful asana, should be practiced. You can increase the pace, you can increase the time that you hold it. And before, let's take a little relaxation in the child pose. Open up your feet, your toes are together. Sit on the toes. Walk your hands forward. Head is down and leave the body low. Gently come back together. Time for some pranayama. And before that, sit in Vajrasan. Vajrasan में बैठे. Yes. Now we will be till we sit in Vajrasan. If the camera wants to adjust, can adjust all seating postures. चलिए वज्रासन में बैठेंगे. वज्रासन, वज्र, इंद्र का अस्त्र. So उस अस्त्र की तरह शक्ति and the sharpness, ये आसन is that powerful. इसलिए इसे रोज प्रैक्टिस करें. Let it be a part of your daily practice. अगर आपके घुटने में तकलीफ है तो कुशन रखें, पीछे कुशन रख सकते हैं. Wherever. Use props. Props का यूज करें अपनी आसन प्रैक्टिस में. पीठ सीधी. और खाना खाने के बाद अवश्य बैठे इसमें 2 मिनट 3 मिनट. वायु मुद्रा इस तरह. इंडेक्स फिंगर नीचे and 3 fingers open. 2 minutes to 3 minutes. खाना पचाने के लिए अति उत्तम आसन. और पीठ सीधी रखें. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, बैक स्ट्रेट. Let Vajrasan be a part of your daily practice. Chaliए. प्राणायाम शुरू करने से पहले शुद्धि क्रिया कपालभाति. नेजल पैसेज और रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट को साफ रखने के लिए वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप प्राणायाम शुरू करने से पहले कपालभाति करें. इंक्रीज द राउंड्स. हम लाइव सेशन में 50 राउंड्स करते हैं, पर आप अपने राउंड्स बढ़ाएं अप टू 100, 150, 200. फॉर अ हेल्दी पर्सन 200 to 300 rounds work wonderfully well in cleaning the nasal passage. चलिए. Sitting position, whatever is comfortable. आप इस तरह सुखासन में भी बैठ सकते हैं. पद्मासन, अर्ध पद्मासन, on a chair, वज्रासन. Choose your pose, whatever is comfortable. 50 strokes. Passive inhalation, only exhalation, and as you exhale, pull the tummy. बैक स्ट्रेट. इनहेल 50 स्ट्रोक्स करेंगे साथ में. अगर आप थक जाए रुक जाइए, बट ट्राई टू सी इफ यू कैन डू इट विद मी. एंड सभी स्ट्रोक्स लेट देम बी इन अ सेम फ्लो. शुरू में ज़्यादा जोर से, बाद में धीरे. मेंटेन अ सेम पेस. चलिए शुरू करें. इनहेल. Back to normal breathing. लेकिन short breaths से शुरू करेंगे and then gently getting into deeper breaths. No pressure on the body, very gently. Short breaths, getting into deeper breaths. Bhastrika pranayam. Bhastrika is both inhale and exhale. अगर आप हार्ट पेशेंट हैं तो आपका पेस थोड़ा स्लो होगा and normal healthy person, so you can go with the pace that I'm doing it. I like to prefer using the hand movements, which gives a little more push or extra thrust to the practice. Bhastrika, inhale and exhale dono. So you can keep your hands to the sides, inhaling, take your hands up. It's inhale, exhale with a little pressure. Heart patient, your pace has to be light. See, I'll show this for the heart patients. आपको जोर नहीं लगाना है और आपको कहीं भी सांस रोकना नहीं है. And for a healthy individual, it can be with a little thrust. So we do 10 strokes of Bhastrika. Ready? Keep your hands to the. You may not even take the hands up. You can keep them down as well. Chaliye. I prefer taking the hands up. Relax. Normal breathing. Very gently. Very gently. Let your body adjust. अब हम भस्त्रिका करेंगे, but at a slower pace, but much deeper. चलिए, आपकी पीठ सीधी, दोनों हाथ ध्यान मुद्रा या इस तरह, whatever you like it. Back straight. Gentle inhalation and gentle exhalation, but nice and deep. So भस्त्रिका कर रहे, लेकिन at a slow pace, but let it be nice and deep. There be a gentle smile on your face. प्राणायाम करते वक्त मुंह को बिगाड़ने की या होठों को बिगाड़ने की, नाक को सिकोड़ने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है. बिल्कुल सहजता से करें, आराम से करें. प्राणायाम को एंजॉय करते हुए करें. Nice and deep inhalation, nice and deep exhalation. Bhastrika to be followed by Anulom Vilom. Left hand. बंद हो गया. Friends, sorry for the little interruption. Because of the heat, mobile stopped working and we continue. चल, हम भस्त्रिका कर रहे थे. Nice deep inhalation and exhalation. And now we will be doing Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom, left hand Dhyana Mudra, right hand आपकी Vishnu Mudra. So index finger, middle finger नीचे, हम thumb और ring finger use करेंगे. Gently close the right nostril. Anulom Vilom हमेशा लेफ्ट से शुरू करें, लेफ्ट से खत्म करें, and this balances our both the नाड़ी, सूर्य नाड़ी और चंद्र नाड़ी, तो शरीर का उष्णता और ठंड, तो शीतलता दोनों को ये प्राणायाम बैलेंस करती है. लेफ्ट हैंड ध्यान मुद्रा, राइट हैंड विष्णु मुद्रा. चलिए राइट नॉस्ट्रिल बंद करेंगे. Gently inhale from the left. Left बंद करेंगे and exhale from the right. Inhale from the right and exhale from the left. One more round with me. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Continue at your own pace. 3 cycles. One last. Relax. Repeat. Anulom Vilom brings a nice calming effect to the brain. जब भी आप प्रैक्टिस करें, कोशिश करेंगे अगर आप 5 काउंट या 4 काउंट इनहेल कर रहे हैं, कोशिश करेंगे एक्सलेशन थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो. 6 counts, 8 counts. Exhale more than what you inhale. चलिए 3 cycle. भ्रामरी प्राणायाम. भ्रामरी दिमाग के नस नालियों की, nerves of the brain की एक्सरसाइज. Creates a vibration. इसे कैसे करेंगे? तीनों उंगलियां जेंटली अपने आंखों पर प्लेस करें और दोनों अंगूठे से कान पूरी तरह बंद करेंगे. डीप ब्रीथ करके ओमकार हम चैंट करेंगे. ओम कहेंगे मगर होठों को बंद करके. So when we are blocking all the senses and the mouth also, a vibration is created over here in the brain. And 3 cycle करेंगे और 3 cycle करने के बाद थोड़ा सा रुके. Feel that vibration, feel that little difference that has been created by this pranayam. चलिए तीनों उंगली आंखों पर, दोनों अंगूठे से कान बंद. Nice deep breathing. 3 round. Keep your eyes closed. आंखें बंद रखें. Back to normal breathing. Nice and deep inhalation. Nice and deep exhalation. Observe every breath that goes in and every breath that comes out. positive thought go in with every breath, and a negative thought be released from the body with every exhalation. A gentle smile on the face brings a nice sweetness to the heart. With your eyes closed, use this moment to connect yourself Let there be a feeling of gratitude, thanking God for this beautiful day and this beautiful life. Use this moment to count all your blessings. Gentle inhalation and a gentle exhalation. Both the hands prayer position. Recite any prayer that you have your faith in. Gently bow down. Cup your hands, cup your eyes, face. Friends, that was with our today's session, Yoga Mornings at 8 with me, Sangeeta Purva. Hope you had a good session and another 2 days to go. Friends, 1st of May would be the last of the live sessions, but do not worry. All these morning series, the 40-minute morning series, almost 25 to 30 different flows. They are all available on my Facebook page. They are streaming on the Facebook page, on my YouTube channel, Sangeeta's Yoga Sutra, or my website, sangeetasyogasutra.com. तो आप जब भी आपका मन करे योगा प्रैक्टिस करने का, आप कोई भी एक फ्लो सिलेक्ट करें. 40 minutes and complete flow है with warm up, asana practice and pranayam, a complete flow in itself, and a little meditation. So when you're not doing live, you can choose कि अगर आप ज़्यादा राउंड्स करना चाहते हैं, आप ज़्यादा देर मेडिटेशन में रहना चाहते हैं या प्राणायाम के फ्लो ज़्यादा करना चाहते हैं, you can choose. So select any flow and continue your practice. Once again, your views, your comments are most welcome. I will love to have them. And now last 2 days, so अगर आप चाहते कि मैं कुछ incorporate करूँ, so do message me and yes, share this video with others so others can take benefit. कई लोग जुड़ रहे हैं, साथ में आसन प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, and I'm feeling really good about it. So do spread so more and more people can take benefit, because building our strength and building our immunity is what we need today, and keeping that calm because we don't know, lockdown may extend, we don't know. So keeping that calm, this is what will help. So do practice, and yes, see you tomorrow again at 8 on the mat. Stay happy, stay blessed.